Now let's use the example of our to-do list app to learn one additional concept about working with the DOM. So let's say in our application over here, we want to create a feature that, let's say, when the user clicks on the outside, this particular white box, then we want to restart our application or clear all of the items in our list. So let's say it's a feature. It's not a perfect feature. It's not a good user interface. It's not a good user experience because the user could accidentally click outside. But just for the sake of explanation, let's create that feature. So how would we do that? We already know the knowledge. So we first need to capture the body element because this is the outer areas. Let's consider it body. And then we're going to attach an event listener, which is going to be the click event. And then we can clear the items. All right. Simple as that. So we can first do over here const body, I'll just call it. And I'll say document dot query selector. And then I'll provide body as string. So it's going to go and grab the body element. Then over here, I can simply come in and say body.add event listener. And then on the click event, I want to run this function. So function, and I will just do, let's say alert. Alert, body was clicked, like such. All right. Save, and now refresh. And when I click over here, nothing seems to be happening. Our code is fine. It looks fine to me. Now let's say if I click a little bit closer over here, close to our main area of the to-do list, if I click, yes, this event triggered. So what's happening over here? Let's make this big and inspect the element. You see that when I hover over the body element over here, not the full viewport gets selected, only the area that the Chrome browser needs to display the content is considered the body. So in this case, let's say if you want to capture the entire viewport to capture certain events, you want to make sure that via the CSS, your height is 100%. So let's say if I do that, or that's not happening, so VH. So the VH unit actually stands for viewport height. So if you say 100 VH, so it's going to make sure that your body area is spanning the entire viewport height. So that's going to be exactly that. So now when I click over here, you see the click event is happening. So that's one particular thing I want to share with you. I'm going to talk to you in the next lesson.